Oh, that was beautiful. I don't want to die. I don't want to die.
I just don't want to hit the wall again.
You were good. You were clear. Nice. Nice.
Okay.
Backflip.
No. Can't do that anymore.
See? It's where you plant your left foot. I cut off your head. By your hamstrings the other night, I doubt you can just pull it anymore.
I can't do anything anymore.
I thought you were going to do the worm. You seem so far away on this thing. You're like a little ant. I could push you.